Least. When I looked up at the sky and saw clouds and dragons, I thought, rain is the least of my worries. Least. Number 7, complete. My train set is complete. Complete. Number 8, weekly. I love doing weekly errands with my dad. Weekly. Number 9, delete. Please delete my name from your email list. Delete. Number 10, teeth. Teeth are important for chewing. Teeth. Number 11, breeze. I find a cool breeze very refreshing. Breeze. Number 12, reading. Reading is my favorite. Reading. Number 13, dream. A day where I can read for hours is a dream come true. Dream.